What happens when Porsche cranks everything to the absolute max? You get the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo GTA machine. That takes one of the most legendary sports cars on the planet and pushes it straight into supercar territory. This isn't just another trim level. This is the ultimate 911 pure performance, razor-sharp precision, and unmistakable Porsche DNA turned up to 11. From the outside, the Turbo GT is nothing short of rolling art. The wide-body stance isn't just about drama, it's about stability at insane speeds. The pronounced rear wing and aggressive front splitter, they're not cosmetic flourishes, they're aerodynamic weapons. Carefully tuned to deliver maximum downforce and cooling when you're pushing this car to the limit. Look closer and the details keep stacking up. Matrix LED headlights cut through the night with surgical clarity. Center lock wheels, borrowed straight from the GT3 RS, bring race-bred pedigree and serious visual impact. And, of course, the iconic 911 sloping roofline ties it all together. A subtle reminder that while this is the future, it's still rooted in over 60 years of Porsche heritage. Step inside, and the vibe shifts from AEW to intent. The Turbo G cockpit is all business race-ready, yet dripping with Porsche refinement. GT-specific sport seats clamp you in place, with enhanced bolstering that makes sure you're part of the car, not just sitting in it. A mix of leather, Alcantara, and exposed carbon fiber creates an atmosphere of motorsport, but premium. Everything is exactly where you need it, no clutter, no gimmicks. The compact GT steering wheel, complete with integrated drive mode selectors, lets you switch personalities in seconds. One moment it's a comfortable Grand Tourer, the next, it's a track day assassin, ready to attack corners with surgical precision. And then, there's the beating heart under the rear deck lid, a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six delivering around 650 horsepower through Porsche's lightning-quick PDK dual-clutch transmission and a telepathic all-wheel drive system. The numbers brutal, 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds quicker than most Italian exotics, costing double the price. But here's the magic. The Turbo GT isn't just about numbers. It's about balance. It feels alive, confident in every corner, and completely predictable even when you're dancing right on the edge. Thanks to adaptive suspension, active aero, and rear axle steering, the car shrinks around you. Tight hairpins become effortless. High-speed sweepers feel endless, and every input steering, throttle, braking happens instantly, as if the car anticipates what you want before you even do. But here's the real trick. For all its track-bred aggression, the Turbo GT is still livable. It's not some fragile garage queen. You can daily it, commute in it, take it to the grocery store, drive it year-round, thanks to that all-weather AWD grip. When you want it to be civilized, it plays the role perfectly: quiet, composed, even comfortable. When you're ready to unleash it though, it transforms into a monster. On the tech side, Porsche keeps things sharp. The 2025 Turbo GT packs the latest infotainment system with a crisp touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, real-time navigation, and voice control that actually works. And if you want to swap the flat-six soundtrack for music, the optional Burmeister surround sound system delivers studio-grade clarity. So, what's the takeaway? The 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo GT isn't just the top of the 911 food chain, it's Porsche showing the world how far they can take their most iconic car. It's fast, it's balanced, it's brutally capable, and yet it's still a Porsche you can actually live with. That's what makes it so special.